Alright guys, so I'm out and about right now in the truck, in the Trizuck. So we got the exhaust cut off. The methanol switched out. There was a 50-50 in there now, and it's like probably high 90% ethanol. And what else did I do? Oh, and I got the two-step hooked up, so I'm out kind of testing that a little bit. I was testing it before, and then I want to just cool the engine down a little bit because it was getting warm because I was sitting there playing with the two-step. So driving around a little bit and trying to get everything comfy and see where it's at. So we're going to do some pulls today, hopefully. Hopefully we don't hurt anything. And hopefully I can get some good videos of the two-step. Trying to figure it out because the wheels do like to spin. So I'm trying to figure out the happy place where I can get it up to without spinning the wheels that's still building a decent amount of boost. So I got it up to about 4 pounds, 3 or 4 pounds. Yeah, right around the 4 pound range. I'm using my little cheat sheet. I always have this thing around in my pocket. It's just some Holley website that shows like KPA. I always reference it just so I know. Some key points I memorized now, but just, yeah, so it's about 4 pounds, but I'm on a shitty street tire also, so that should help. It's set at like 3,200 or 3,300 RPM right now. So I'm just reading the truck. I'm going to make some changes, and because it did change quite a bit with cutting the exhaust off and then putting the methanol in there. So let's have some fun today, and hopefully we don't hurt anything. you go, you can see the leak. And right there. When I stopped, it went lean and it sounded like, you know, exhaust leak sounds like a lifter tick. It sounded like really loud metal lifter tick. I'm like, what the fuck? And then found that, so that's good. A bit sad, but I got that big exhaust leak in there and it wasn't building any boost. It was still in vacuum when I launched. So before it was building like 4 pounds and now it's not building anything. So I'm gonna go home. Pretty disappointing, but it's getting dark out anyways. I'm gonna go home, fix that exhaust leak and go drive it around a little bit more and try to figure this out. It seems like it's pulling a lot harder, but I don't want to say that too early. I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm thrilled about today, but we'll go home, we'll fix the exhaust leak and take it back out. I wish I would have got more drive time. I guess that's what I'm disappointed about. I wish I would have got more time to drive it and dial it in, because I just changed this thing and I gotta get everything dialed back in with the boost level, and it seemed like boost was creeping, or boost was kind of high, so I turned it down a little bit and was seeing a little bit of knock once in a while. So not thrilled, getting late, gotta fix it. So yeah guys, a little bit of a disappointing day. Gonna go in and edit the video, and then I'm gonna come back out after this thing cools down and weld it back up and maybe take it back out. Probably not tonight, I'll probably do it early tomorrow, and tomorrow's track day. I just hope this thing works. I don't know, I don't have a good feeling about it right now, but maybe that's just because it was kind of broken. I mean, it felt really strong before that happened, so I don't know, I guess we'll just find out. Usually when I feel good about stuff, that's when bad things happen. So when I feel like shit, maybe something good will happen tomorrow. I don't know. Let's find out.